little bit of like what we talked about yesterday. So I have a data table, which is the information they give you. So it's the data you're looking at. So I'll create the line plot. So how many X's or dots do I need to make above the 1? So yeah.
3.
How about for number 2? Brighton?
1.
For 3? Isaac?
3.
For 3. What's in 3?
What? Oh, nothing.
Nothing. How about 4? You can say, tell me 4. Isaac, what's in 4?
So 3.
Yes. Is there an outlier? Piper?
4.
4 is an outlier. Why is it an outlier? It is farther. The next activity we're going to do you see around the room that there's many giant pieces of paper around the room?
Those.
So you will be put into groups after a practice problem I'll do with you, and you'll be put into groups of 3, and then you'll create a line plot together. Okay? Groups of 3 or 4, yes. So this is like a scientist, and I wrote a little statement on top to help you guys picture it a little bit better.
A scientist?
A scientist is measuring the temperatures in February, and she wants to compare them all. So a lot, sometimes, not all the time, some like data things just give you a whole bunch of numbers. So you need to count them and determine how many each is. So for the big posters I created for you guys, I just have them like this, but I wanted you guys to be able to see that some of them are like this, okay? So, hopefully all of you can read this. I'm trying to make it pretty big. So who can tell me, or talk to your table partner first, how many 32s were there in the month of February?
1, 2, 3, 4.
And then you can tell your table partner and see if they agree. 4. And then raise your hand, please. Ready?
4.
4. So 4 tallies in the little box. How about 33? Jason?
What?
Yeah, just one. There's only 133 in the data. So 34 degrees. Brighton? 4? It is 4. I'm hearing you guys say 3, so there's 1 here, there's 2 right here, and there's 1 right here. So it's 4. Oh, 35. Ethan?
3.
4.
4.
So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there's 4. Oh, 36. Molly?
2.
2. All right. 2. Oh, 37. Really? You got it already?
No, 3. 5.
Shout it all out.
5.
5. Okay, and so this is what you guys will be doing with that data that you just counted out. So you'll be creating a number line. And today you're also going to learn about a scale. Have you guys heard about like a scale with numbers? So a scale is like the smallest number to the biggest number. So like what's the smallest number in our data here?
1, 32.
In temperatures. What's the smallest?
32.
32. So that'll be our first number. What's our biggest number?
37.
So then we'll put 37 right here. Okay, so how many X's am I going to need above 32?
4.
Above 33?
1.
34? 35?
4. 2. 5.
Cool. Is there an outlier in this line plot?
No.
There's not. And while you're creating,
I'll be the quadrant.
yes, you can just write the title. This is basically the title. And you can just use space. It's okay. I see you're trying to fix it. Finish already? Already done? Okay, I'll give you guys another. I'll give you guys another minute and then I'll ask you guys a couple questions.
Molly, I want to be in that group.
I'm sorry, Amanda, I should have done
Number the whales they saw?
Yeah, below it. You'll label it. Just put number of whales. Or whales. Yeah, that's what this link Okay, so bull. Thank you guys. So has everyone completed their line plot?
Yes.
Okay. So please raise your hand if you have an outlier in your line plot.